Welcome to MotoMarket Explorer, your daily source for America's hottest classic motorcycles for sale. Let's dive into 10 incredible vintage machines on the market right now. Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Lowrider Shovelhead, $6,000, Niceville, Florida. We start with a true icon of the AMF-era Harley lineup, a beautifully kept 1977 Lowrider Shovelhead. This bike reflects everything people love about old-school Harley engineering: raw mechanical feel, unmistakable sound, and timeless cruiser attitude. This particular unit has a clean title, matching frame and engine numbers, and both kick and electric start working flawlessly. The Shovelhead engine has been bored out to 88 cubic inches and paired with a Super E carb that's been tuned to perfection, giving it the deep, throaty sound riders crave. The previous owner kept it garage stored for 23 years, and recent service includes new fluids, rear tire, battery, brakes, and starter system. Chrome shines like new, paint has 0 scratches, and there are no leaks, a rare claim for Shovelheads. Extras include an additional Corbin seat, original handlebars, mirrors, and sissy bar. With a partial restoration done years back and a price of just $6,000 OBO, this is one of the best Shovelhead deals currently on the market. Number 2. 1978 Honda CB750F, $4,900, New Orleans, Louisiana. The legendary CB750 platform needs no introduction, often called the world's first superbike. This 1978 Supersport has been converted into a vintage cafe racer with an aggressive stance and a long list of upgrades. It features front and rear disc brakes, both electric and kickstart, a big-bore piston setup, and a classic Supertrap exhaust that gives it that crisp, signature tone. The seller notes that this bike has never left him stranded, even after countless miles around southern Louisiana. The tank shows natural patina, but inside it's perfect. Updates include bar-end mirrors, aftermarket tack and speedometer, AirPods, rear set controls, and a fresh seat cover. 3 extra Comstar wheels are included, 2 fronts, 1 rear, plus original pegs, brake pedal, and shifter. For collectors seeking a CB750 with character, performance upgrades, and strong reliability, this one is a standout. Three. 1966 Triumph Tiger, $4,900, Norcross, Georgia. Next up is a truly artistic British bobber, a 1966 Triumph Tiger transformed into a hand-built custom masterpiece. This isn't a catalog chopper. Nearly every inch showcases hand-fabricated parts, giving the bike a unique identity unlike anything else on the road. Despite the custom work, it remains smooth-running and easy to ride, retaining the lively Triumph parallel twin character that defined the 1960s. From the minimalist tank to the stripped-down frame and vintage bars, this bike is built with personality in mind. The seller invites buyers to see it in person, a hint that photos may not fully capture its presence. Number 4. 1981 Suzuki GS, $3,200, Alabaster, Alabama. Listed as a vintage street fighter, this 1981 Suzuki GS has the bold stance and aggressive attitude of early 80s custom builds. A Vance & Hines 4-in-1 exhaust and a Spitfire windscreen give the bike a loud, unmistakable personality. The GS platform is known for bulletproof engines, and this one has a strong running motor with no major issues besides a faulty gas gauge. It comes with the original title in hand, no trades accepted. A great choice for riders wanting something fast, simple, and rugged. Five, 1984 BMW R100 RT, $3,999, Watkinsville, Georgia. A beautiful final year example of the R100 RT, one of BMW's most respected touring motorcycles. Finished in factory pearlescent white with tricolor pinstripes, this airhead boxer twin is powered by the legendary 980cc engine paired with a 5-speed gearbox. Though the odometer likely rolled over once, the bike shows signs of exceptional long-term care under its elderly owner. Recently, over $4,000 in mechanical work was completed, including valve adjustment, rebuilt brake calipers, new rear master cylinder, stainless brake lines, new pads and tires, new hall sensor, full fluid replacement. Airhead enthusiasts know how rare it is to find one so freshly serviced. This is a turnkey touring classic. Six, 1980 Kawasaki KZ750 LTD, $2,000, Atlanta, Georgia. For riders wanting a classic Japanese cafe platform, this 1980 KZ750 LTD is a fantastic value. With only 15,000 original miles, this bike has undergone a clean cafe racer transformation without compromising the core Kawasaki performance. It retains its strong 5-speed transmission, and recent maintenance includes a new battery, brake fluids, spark plugs, and ignition cables. The KZ series is known for durability, and at $2,000, this is one of the most affordable ways into vintage motorcycling today. Seven, 1968 Benelli Riverside 175, $2,500, Mobile, Alabama. Benelli's small displacement classics are highly collectible, and this 1968 Riverside 175 is an excellent candidate for restoration or display. All parts are present, and the bike's condition appears solid for its age. These Italian-built lightweight motorcycles were cherished for their lively engines and elegant lines, making them popular among vintage European collectors. It's becoming increasingly rare to find complete Benelli Riverside examples in the US, especially at this reasonable price. Eight, 1984 Harley-Davidson FXEF, $5,000, Gretna, Louisiana. This shovelhead-era FXEF comes with a long list of improvements and extras, an appealing package for Harley collectors. The bike has a small dent in the left tank, but the sale includes brand new replacement tanks still in the box, giving buyers the freedom to repaint in whatever style they want. New tires are included, not yet installed, and the seller is throwing in a custom trailer built to haul the bike, plus a new Bell full-face helmet. If you want a complete classic Harley package with both a bike and its own trailer, this is one of the best deals in the Southeast. Nine, 1971 Norton Commando 750, $4,500, New Smyrna Beach, Florida. A classic Norton Commando Cathay racer, this 1971 example is a running, ride-ready British icon. It features a front disc brake conversion, a high-output stator, and a strong running 750 twin that starts on the second kick. Nortons are famous for their isola-stack vibration damping system, and this one retains the agile stance of the earlier models. With everything working and a clean title, it's rare to find a Commando priced this low and ready to ride immediately. Number 10. 1986 Honda CB750 SC Nighthawk S, $4,000, Shreveport, Louisiana. We finish with one of the most desirable 1980s Hondas, the Nighthawk S. This example is a two-owner bike with just 11,000 original miles, meaning it has spent most of its life resting safely in garages. The 696cc inline-4 is smooth, powerful, and famously reliable. The red and black paint scheme is pure 80s fantasy, and the bike still delivers that signature Honda growl. Clean, unmodified Nighthawk S models are becoming harder to find, and this one is perfect for anyone wanting an 80s classic that still feels modern on the road. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer, your daily guide to America's classic motorcycles for sale. See you in the next episode.